Minister Yumnam Khemchand stated that normal movement of people resumed yesterday along National Highway number 2 despite facing criticism from some sections for holding talks with Kuki community leaders. He expressed satisfaction over the resumption of interstate passenger services along National Highway number 2, claiming that the government's efforts to restore normalcy in Manipur have begun yielding positive results. He was speaking at the inaugural function of a mechanized rotary parking facility at Nagamapal, Imphal. The event, organized by Imphal Smart City Limited, was also attended by Thangmaiband MLA Khumukchum Joy Kisan, Chief Secretary Dr. Puneet Kumar Goyal, and several high-ranking state government officials. Speaking further, Khemchand urged the public to judge people's actions objectively, praising good initiatives while remaining honest about their shortcomings. He reiterated that regional development is impossible without peace and appealed to all peace-loving citizens to unite and make sincere efforts towards restoring complete normalcy in the state. The Chief Minister also called upon the public and municipal authorities to properly maintain the new rotary parking system, expressing confidence that the facility will significantly ease traffic congestion and parking challenges in the capital.
Positive thinking. Apabot already pay high bang a soy with the soy high bang animal judgment or gets a tragedy. I go say negative thinking hell lagadi with Samasi, with Sakapa King the Rain Kali, Raina Wai Masam Gatang Haizaga Kaina London Kenel Duda, Pithibi Yanhanba. Steamer si putui, matam dogi steamer si kunna umma le bagi, kaina zip aung bim le madu maina. Ada steamer si start hobby, mayamam le short koram me, hey God, my steamer si start hobby di panida haidana, khara mana hai, hey start to hobby da Ngahak dia agak usina sina start si hore, do steamer si. Lo ngasagi start hobby di pani haidana short kori me pakam ko duna, hey short, masih ising sila pasana thau di pani ni short koram me. Khara amna soy oil na adung ngang le, aduna ayo soy tam jani si santi si product ba suya ya da pot na manina, santi leroy na hai batu sum le jawra sunu santi aku me pundat, kui santi lambi da sangjala si hajar ganda ay tension jari.